My dear students, everybody get ready. Drawing class will start shortly. My dear students, look at the screen and try to draw step by step with me. Today we will learn to draw a beautiful rabbit. Look at the screen. First, mark here like this. Here. After this, slowly left side. Draw this line. Everybody try to draw step by step with me. Now, next step. Look at the screen. Mark here. And then slowly draw like this. Look this way. My dear students, everybody show your drawing. This part. Show your drawing at the same time. Yes, good, very good. Now, next step. Touch this point. Everybody touch this point. Look here. Follow this cap. Draw this line. And join here. Look at the screen. Look. Mark here. Then mark here. After this, look at the screen. Touch this point. Then slowly. Join here. After this, look. Now, look at the screen. Draw like this. Now, look at the screen. Fill this gap this way. Look. Fill this gap. My dear students, now everybody show your drawing. Start your video and show your drawing at the same time. Yes, very excellent. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now, next step. Then slowly join here. Look, very easy. My dear cute students, everybody show your drawing at the same time. Yes, really excellent. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, everyone. After this, use here pink. My dear students, now everybody show your artwork. Everybody show your artwork at the same time. Yes, good, very good. This is light green. Use light green this way. And finally, everybody write your name here. Write your name here. This is my name. My name is Jubair. Write your name clearly. Everybody write your name clearly. Right now, everybody show your artwork at the same time. Yes, fantastic. Please wait for few seconds for more instruction. Please wait. Look at the screen. Hold your artwork both hands and then ask your mom or dad to take a beautiful picture. And then post your artwork in a WhatsApp number so that I can more help you and support you. I repeat, hold your artwork like this and then ask your mom or dad to take a beautiful picture. And after this, please everybody post your artwork in our WhatsApp number so that I can more help you and support you. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you, everyone. Today our drawing class ended here. See you next class. Goodbye.